Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 1. So we are going to explain you match, max, median and mid. So match formula. This function looks for an item in a list and shows its position. It can be used with text and numbers. It can be used with text and numbers. It can look for an exact match or an appropriate match. I'm just going to repeat you. It can look for an exact match or an appropriate match. Formula details, you just need to mention match, what to look for, where to look for, and type of match. Basically we use match formula with index, and we have a separate videos in that we already explained index match with multiple examples. One more thing, complete details also available in description box. Please copy and paste, but please make sure to subscribe this channel as well. Now move into max formula. This very simple. This formula picks the highest value from a list of data. Repeating again, this function picks the highest value from a list of data. Formula details, you just need to mention max, select your range and then close your bracket, enter, you'll get your maximum highest value. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed, guys. This is very basic and very useful formula if you're working on large database. So one more thing, we have a separate videos in which we already explained match, max, median, mid, minute, mode with multiple examples, so you can check those videos as well if this is difficult for you to understand how this formula works. We are trying to explain as much as formula so that we are not able to explain through multiple examples. And now median. This function finds the median value of a group of values. The median is not the average, it is the halfway point where half the numbers in a group are larger than it and half the numbers are less than it. If there is no exact median number in the group, the two nearest the halfway point are added and their average is used as the median. I'm repeating again, this function finds the median value of a group of values. The median is not the average, it is the halfway point where half the numbers in a group are larger than it and the half the numbers are less than it. If there is no exact median number in the group, the two nearest the halfway point are added and their average is used as median. Formula details, you just need to mention median, select your range and then close your bracket and then enter, you'll get your median number. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed. This formula works in every single version of your Excel. I would really recommend to go ahead and use this formula in your Excel, because practice to make a man perfect. It's not very easy to just watch a video and you'll get everything. You have to perform from your side. We are just providing the information. Last formula, mid. This function picks out a piece of text from the middle of the text entry. This function needs to know at what point it should start and how many characters to pick. If the numbers of character to pick exceeds what is available, only the available character will be picked. Formula details, you just need to mention mid, mid, original text, position to start picking and number of characters to pick. Is any formatting required? No, guys, no formatting is needed. This formula works in every single version of Excel. Very basic formula. I would really appreciate if you go ahead and try this formula in your Excel version. Complete details, complete this video, complete details available in description box. So I would appreciate if you go ahead and copy and paste for your future reference. But before that, please make sure to subscribe this channel, because we are the one who providing the details related to Excel formula only. We have a 100, 200, 300 videos related to Excel formula only, nothing else. And we providing Excel formula with multiple different kind of example as well. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Request you to please comment so that please share your feedback so that we'll try to improve ourselves. And thank you so much for your love, thank you so much for your comment, thank you so much for your liking. Have a great day, have a great future. In part 2 we are going to explain mean, minute and mode, and part 3 we are going to explain mode, month and M round. So please check those videos as well. Have a great day, have a great Excel future, and guys, please don't miss to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.